And the next step for doing the small open plan ranch house is that we're going to go back to our list here, and we know we've got the car in here that we need to pull in, and the next is the washer and dryer. So what I'm going to do, since this is set in the right place, I'm going to go up to the command for the 3D warehouse, go get models, and type in washer. And you can do washer or dryer or just washer. I tend to just hit search for a washer. And then I found there's a washer and dryer pair here. You can look for washer and dryer. There'll be sets that you can put in here. So I'm just going to choose this one facing front, I think. Or I'm going to try washer and dryer. See what comes up that way. Before I've seen a blue set of them that I kind of liked here. We'll see how this works right here. So I'm going to click on them. This might be just a picture of them. So I'm going to hit the 3D view. And sure enough, it is a 3D model of them. So I'm going to use that one. I will hit download. Make sure I'm doing this from above. And waiting for the model to come in. We'll see where it is. Here it is. I'm going to try to make sure it's down on the ground floor. So it's sitting low, so I don't have to move up or down. Remember the low command, if I zoom above it, I could just click on the red and rotate it and then move it back into position. So now I have the washer and dryer in the garage. So the next step from this thing is putting in a 2 bedrooms, bed, and dresser. So if I find those things, you can kind of search for several different ones that you want, but both a bed and a dresser into the area. Here is the bed. There's like 2 bedrooms and then an activity room. So I'm going to go over to one of the bedrooms. These are closets here right next to it, by the way. I'm going to go to do 3D warehouse and get models. I will type in a bed, or you can do like a full-size bed or queen-size bed, something like that. Search. I'm going to have different examples of them, so you can choose what you want to. And say I will choose. Here's a modern one. I'll just choose this one right here, and click download. Okay. And see, it's sitting out here by, I don't know why it just went into that part, but I will need to select it. I can use the pointer to select it, and then I can hit move command, and I can move that thing into position in the room. Make sure it's not going outside the room. I'm actually probably going to pull it to this wall so I can put the dresser in there too. I can also actually, just for sake of expediency, I'm going to copy it and then click off of it. Oops, I have to leave that in place. Edit undo because I moved it by accident. I'll click out here. I'm going to go edit, paste, and then I have another one. I'm going to use the same one so it fits against a wall. So I'm going to rotate it against this wall, and then I'm going to move it into place. Okay. Now I need a dresser for each room. In fact, I think that might be too big in the second room, so I can always reduce the size of it and pull it down to shrink it a little bit. Next thing I'm going to do is put in a dresser into the room. So I'm going to click the point, click off of it so it's clean. I'm going to go File, 3D Warehouse, 3D Warehouse, and I'm going to type dresser and hit search, and then you can find a number of different dressers. Choose one that you would like to have in the room. I will choose the one right here. I can choose one with a vanity mirror on top of it. There's definitely a number of choices you can select from for having a dresser in the room. I'm just going to choose this one and click OK. So notice this dresser is way up in the air for no reason at all. I'm not sure why, so we're just going to click. I'm going to rotate my view, and it's huge, that's why. So we're just going to shrink it down to the right size. So I hit the scale command and drag it down to the right size for the room. And then I can move that into place. Let's say I have the dresser here. I would have to rotate it and rotate it so it's facing the right direction. I'll try that rotate again here, and then rotate it to the right direction. I'll let go of it, and I can move it into place.